Although I am not in full accommodations, I'm inside the truck, but I've got the display mod. You might want to excuse the retard that I have behind the seat, but I am gonna do the unboxing of the display mod for the GoPro Hero 8. It finally got here after 10 months of waiting. And of course, as you all will know, that it's kind of hard to do the unboxing with one hand, but I'm gonna do my best. Pretty much doesn't look too complicated. You got your paperwork, and I don't really need to deal with the paperwork. I want to get to the heart of the screen. Okay, it's got the USB-C, and here comes the monitor now. Okay, so this is how it would look like with the media mod. Now, naturally, in the back, it would come out blank. It would have a blank screen because now it's showing it in the front. So as you can see, I guess you're looking at my camera, which is the Galaxy S20 Ultra, filming it to the front. So yes, I guess this would complete the whole curvature for a blogging camera, and this would be for the GoPro Hero 8. Now it finally came out, even though the GoPro Hero 9 is out already. Well, I guess it took a year just to take this monitor and make it work. Good evening, Dave here. Now I'm talking to you from a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now this thing is actually set up with 8K, but I can't do the 8K. This phone does 8K, but it doesn't. I can't modify or edit 8K to upload to YouTube. There ain't no editing software that I know of that exists on a phone that will do 8K. So I have to bring it down to 4K in order to do any type of editing on it. Now, I had purchased a GoPro Hero 8 back in April 1st. And then, April the 1st, 2020. And we are right now, as of September 19th? Yes, September 19th. Let me get back and get inside the light a little bit here. We are at September 18th of 2020. So pretty much, about 9 months went by, 8 months went by. Every single month, I would call GoPro and ask them, hey, what's going on with the display mod? Because on the Hero 8, everybody had a problem, and it's just not me, but everybody in general had a problem with the fact that my head would actually do this. For example, I would be talking on a GoPro, and suddenly my head went off the screen, then came back into the screen, then went off the screen again, and then came back into the screen. So we had that problem with the GoPro Hero 8 because we couldn't reframe our face to stay in the center of the screen. Why? Because it's not a DJI Osmo Action. It's not an Insta360 R. It wasn't any type of camera that has the front-facing screen. Now they came out with the GoPro Hero 9, which is on sale now. But I really don't have any plans in buying a GoPro Hero 9 because I was already waiting for the display mod. It's April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. 6 months later, they finally decide to put the display mod on sale. And it's for limited time only. It's a first come, first serve. It's the moment they let me know by email. I checked it out on their website. It was said add to cart. I added to cart and I paid it off real quick. Because those things were burning hot. Those things were selling like hotcakes. Burning hot. Why? Because hundreds and thousands of people bought the GoPro Hero 8, and they bought the mod, and they bought the little LED light. Because when they want to blog, it's probably the only way they can blog is to have a rear screen on the GoPro Hero 8. So when it finally arrived, which is today, it arrived today. So here is the newest edition. I'm about to disconnect it because I was charging it. Here's the newest edition of the GoPro. I'm going to switch the camera out over here. And this is now, naturally, this is the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod. And the front LED screen. And now you got yourself the mod, the display mod. It's all full of my fingerprints, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I think. Let's see. Real quick, so. And as you can see, the mod comes in, the display mod comes in, and you can actually see now. You can now see yourself. Well, the light of my camera is obstructing it, but you can see from here, maybe from here. Well, anyways, it does work. And if I turn on the LED light, now you're looking at a blogging situation now. See, because it's pretty much lighting it up like this. I can maybe turn off my light on the camera, and you can now see myself, or you can now see the camera. Let's turn this sucker back on. So it does work. It works perfect. I'm gonna turn this one off. It works perfect. I think this screen is a lot better than using the GoPro Hero 9, because the GoPro Hero 9 is gonna have a screen this small right here. It's only gonna be this small. Not gonna have that big one right there. This one's a lot better because you can actually extend your arm farther away, and you can still see yourself and frame yourself. With the small one, it's actually this small right here. It's what this little window is. Now, it's not the same as the DJI Osmo Action. The screen on the Osmo Action is bigger than the GoPro, and actually, the screen on the Insta-1 360, on the Insta-360 1R, is actually bigger than this one also. So, in reality, this is probably going to be the best bet, because the camera is a lot less expensive now. Not like back then when I ended up paying close to $400 for it. And then $79 for the media mod, and another $49 for the LED light, and an extra $79 for the screen. But you know what? The screen looks a lot better on this one than the GoPro Hero 9. This one looks as a bigger screen, and you could probably do a lot of better vlogging because you can see yourself and frame yourself with it. compared to this little screen. Can you imagine trying to frame yourself with a little small screen this small? That's not gonna work. I think this one's gonna come out a lot better now. So I'm pretty happy with this. You know what I don't like is this stand right here. This is the little shorty stand, and look, it just falls by itself. It just, what's the use of raising it up when it's just gonna fall down again by itself? I never understood why these things were so expensive, and it's just to hold it. It's just to hold the damn camera. So, anyways, this is my take of the unboxing. Now, it's as far as the unboxing is concerned, it wasn't too much of an unboxing. There was really nothing in there. Here's how it shows of what it's supposed to do. The instructions, the quick instructions. The good thing about it is that it's finally here, and I'll be able to do a lot better movies with this now that I can reframe myself. Because a lot of the GoPro Hero 8 videos that I have out there, it shows my head floating away without me even knowing about it. My head kind of just disappeared into half of the video, and I'm out there thinking that I'm making a good video. So, anyways, that's all I had. That's all the take I have for tonight. You all have a wonderful weekend. Today is Friday, September 19th, the year 2020. So yes, we are still living the COVID-19 age. Maintain yourself in a safe distance between each other, and stay safe out there. Avoid any problems. You could be back to work on Monday, and y'all stay safe out there, and God bless. Well, this is the first take. This would be the first take that will come out using the GoPro display mod that is attached to the media mod, and I'm using the original LED front-facing light. Now this is just the lower setting. I can put it into a higher setting, and it would look like this. It would be a lot brighter. And then it's got a brighter one right here. See, but I would actually look terrible here. So I'm gonna bring it back right here to the low part. Now, even the low part, and I'm looking, and I'm saying the low part because if I remove the white cap, it still looks a little bit brighter. See, and it actually hurts your eyes just to even be looking at the screen. Now I'm looking at the screen. I'm not looking at the camera. Because if I look at the camera, the light's gonna blind me. So I'm gonna put this little filter. There's a little filter that goes with it. It's actually a little white filter. It brings a lot of the brightness down, and it makes it more of a natural look. And the display mod that I've been waiting 6 months for it is finally here, and I could actually say, that it was well worth waiting for. It's just a simple take, and I'm running it on the lowest settings, which is 1080p. It's pretty good. This is pretty good because of the fact that I'll be using this a lot at night because I work at night. I'm a night person. I'm a graveyard person, and I couldn't actually see or videotape things during the night because it actually, with this, it actually opens up a new adventure, pretty much. You know, now you get to see a lot more things when you light it up outside. So that's my take for this. You all have a good weekend. Today's September the 20th. Today the display mod arrived. September the 20th, 2020. You all stay safe out there.